afternoon, everyone. His Lordship, Justice Eric Ogola, His Lordship, Justice Anthony Mlima, Her Ladyship, Justice Dr. Frida Mugambi, on ruling petition E565 of 2024 regarding Gachagua versus State Law Office.
May it please you, my Lord. My name is Shadrach Moset, the Solicitor General. Appearing together with Professor Mutembei, Senior Counsel, for the Attorney General, Emmanuel Peter, Deputy Chief State Counsel, Charles Mutinda, Deputy Chief State Counsel. Then for the National Assembly, we have El Gumbo, appearing for the National Assembly, and Paul Nyamodi, and the Honorable George Gitonga Murugara. My lords and my lady, for the Speaker of the National Assembly, we have Benson Milimo and Josephat Kunyoni, appearing for the Speaker of the National Assembly. My lords and my lady, for the Senate, we have Professor Tom Ochenda and Moni Mukele Edwin. For the Speaker of the Senate, my lord, my lady, we have Mercy Tanchi and Peter Wanyama appearing for the Senate, for the Speaker of the Senate. And for interested parties, my lord, we have Moses Kipkoge, we have Dr. Mutomi Tionkol, we have Kenny Meli, and we have Boniface Mwelelu and Eric Murioki appearing for Professor Kithure Kindiki. Sorry, my lord, for the Senate, we have Honorable Hirali Sigei for the Senate.
In addition to Dr. Tom Ochenda.
Yes, that is in addition, my lord, to Professor Tom Ochenda. Sigei. Honorable Hirali Sigei, Senate.
My lord, I'm present.
My lord, for the sixth respondent, Much replied in a lot. I'll leave it at that.
Thank you. A lot for the sixth respondent, Dr. Kamodo, will continue to appear at the protest.
Kimoto Telexia Wanjiru, the first Kimoto and Company advocate for the second petition. Petition.
Okay. And my lords and my lady, my name is Mungai. I appear in this matter with my colleagues Mr. Muge for the Andy in petition number Kenyaga, Keruwea, I believe it's Keruwea, 5015 for the petition.
Mr. Kibe, we consolidated and we came up with a new lineup of the parties. So it may not be very appropriate to people referring to.
I did take the notes, but I mean some of the petition. The person who took the notes is not here.
That's okay.
Yes.
Supply.
And I've not seen any order to indicate now that so that I can.
We will supply it for the procedure.
My lords and your leadership, before meeting, I appear with Mr. Soanya, George Sekimpa, and Tom Macharia for the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya in the consolidated petition and in any other petition where he is a party. Thank you.
May I take your number 4? My name is Khalid. I appear for Procedural Syria. I think it's requesting in E565-2024 with my land friend, Mr. Sean. I haven't seen which I get it. That's the and then I also appear for myself. Thanks.
Good afternoon, my lady and my lords. For the third petitioner, my name is Mugi. May it please you, my lady and my lords. My name is Nelson Harvey. I appear for the interested party, the Law Society of Kenya, together with my two colleagues, Hosea Manwa and Kevin Michuke. Hosea Manwa and Kevin Michuke.
Let's go.
The man behind the camera.
Maybe perhaps for guidance, on which matters we are taking forum on, because this afternoon, and I believe my young friend Mr. Chibi will address it, we were served with a notice from the office of the Deputy Registrar indicating that there were several matters that were to be mentioned before you this morning, this afternoon. And last evening when we were breaking, we were to come for a ruling. Perhaps we need to have clarity that we will not have a mixture of things.
We are dealing with the ruling, matter in which the ruling is supposed to be delivered now.
Then
after that, we'll deal the issues.
Then if that's the case, therefore, then it means there are some advocates who have gotten on record for forum, maybe not participate or they are not parties in this particular proceedings.
Like who?
Yes, let's all have it.
Lord, lady, we have asked the Wanjiru to spend some little time with this with his wife. Because it doesn't implicate him. There's no harm in I appearing on the court.
Is there any other concern before you read the ruling? Our ruling is ready on the consolidated petitions with the lead file being petition number E565. We have set out the structure of the ruling, but we will begin from our analysis of the issues that we think are relevant now. This is the ruling. Having carefully considered the pleadings, submissions, and evidence of record, we consider the following issues arising for determination. One, what are the prevailing constitutional and statutory interpretation methods? Two, whether the Honorable the DCJ can assign judges pursuant to Article 165, sub-Article 4 of the Constitution. Three, other related matters. On the first issue, the Constitution is a document sui generis. It is the norm which legally commands superiority and dominance over any other laws, and its interpretation, as of necessity, must be in a manner that all other laws bow to. The court in S versus Atchison, 1991, captured the centrality of the Constitution as follows. The Constitution of a nation is not simply a statute which mechanically defines the structure of government and the relationship between the government and the governed. It is a mirror reflecting the national soul, the identification of ideals and aspirations of a nation, the articulation of the values bonding its people and disciplining its government. The spirit and tenor of the Constitution must therefore preside and permeate the process of judicial interpretation and judicial discretion. In the matter before the court, the High Court has once again been called upon to address the issue as to whether the Honorable the Deputy Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya, whom we refer